In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on TradingView. Whether you're a beginner just starting to explore the world of trading, or a seasoned trader looking to refine your chart analysis skills, knowing how to effectively zoom in and out on TradingView is essential. This feature will help you get a closer look at specific price movements or broaden your view to see the bigger picture. So let's dive right in and explore how to make this happen. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. Simply open your browser and navigate to TradingView.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage where thousands of traders gather to share ideas and strategies. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see a variety of options. Click on Markets, which will lead you to a world of different financial instruments. This is where you can choose the market or asset you're interested in analyzing. Whether it's stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or any other asset class, TradingView has a comprehensive selection for you to explore. After selecting the market you'd like to navigate, you'll need to decide on a specific asset to analyze. For demonstration purposes, let's say you're interested in Apple stocks. Once you've chosen your asset, you'll see a range of options displayed, allowing you to delve deeper into specific data points or chart views. The next step is to click on Full Chart. This option will take you to a more detailed view of the asset you've selected. Here, you can see intricate details like candlestick patterns, volume changes, and technical indicators that can assist in making informed trading decisions. Now comes the part where you can zoom in and out to your heart's content. To zoom, simply use your mouse's scroll wheel. Scrolling up will zoom in, allowing you to see more detailed price movements and patterns. This can be particularly useful when you're looking for specific entry or exit points. On the other hand, scrolling down will zoom out, providing a broader view of the asset's price history. This helps in identifying long-term trends and broader market movements. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks and scrolls, you can master zooming on TradingView, enhancing your ability to analyze charts and make well-informed trading decisions. Remember, the key to effective trading is not just about the tools you use, but how well you know them. So, take your time to explore and practice. Happy trading, and may your charts always be in your favor.